We return to the World Cup trivia train this evening to look at another football genius and World Cup great, another Brazilian great, Ronaldo de Assis Moreira, a.k.a. Ronaldinho Gaúcho, or simply Ronaldinho, one of, if not the trickiest and most flamboyantly skillful ballers to have ever put on a football boots. Ronaldinho took football skills and trickery to a different level. He was the absolute best at balancing skill, trickery, and showboating with technical efficiency. And he did it with that conspicuous grin on his face. Ronaldinho was, of course, part of the unstoppable Brazilian offensive big three with Rivaldo and Ronaldo that took the 2002 World Cup in Japan, South Korea by storm, where he showed off and showcased his sublime skills on the world's biggest football stage, as Brazil won World Cup title number 5. In terms of his overall greatness, Ronaldinho had some consistency and focus issues, which I think pushed him down on the list of the greatest of all times. He was hugely disappointing in the 2006 World Cup as Brazil fell at the quarterfinal stage in the defense of their title. Ronaldinho seemed to have lost his hunger and was a shadow of himself in that tournament. But nonetheless, on his day, at his best, for club and for country, in terms of raw skills and football magic, not many, if any, was better than Ronaldinho Gaúcho, football superstar, and as I will continue to say on this feature, World Cup champion. Yes, the same buff teeth man. Never see that of him,